In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Gmail filters. Filtering your emails can save you a lot of time and keep your inbox organized, and it's a very straightforward process. Whether you're looking to declutter your inbox or prioritize important emails, creating filters in Gmail can be incredibly useful. First, go ahead and open your Gmail account. Once you're in your inbox, you'll notice a small gear or cog icon in the upper right corner of the screen. This is your settings icon. Click it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, select See All Settings. This will take you to a page with all the settings options for your Gmail account. Now that you're in the settings, locate the tab titled Filters and Blocked Addresses. You'll find it at the top alongside other tabs like General and Labels. Click on it to access Gmail's Filter Management section. Here, you'll see a button labeled Create a New Filter. Clicking this will open a small window where you can specify your filter criteria. For example, let's say you want to filter out all emails that mention the word discount. In the Has the Words field, simply type discount. You can enter other criteria in the additional fields if you wish, but for now, we'll keep it simple. Once you've entered your criteria, look at the bottom right of the window and click the Create Filter button. This will take you to a screen where you can choose what action Gmail should take when it finds emails that match your filter. One common action is to delete these emails automatically. To do this, click the checkbox next to Delete It. You'll also see an option that says Also Apply Filter to Matching Conversations. Checking this box will apply your filter to existing emails in your inbox that match your criteria, not just new emails. This is useful if you want to clean up your inbox immediately. Once everything is set, click Create Filter one final time to save and activate your filter, and there you have it. You've successfully created a Gmail filter to manage your emails more efficiently. With filters in place, Gmail will automatically handle those emails for you, keeping your inbox free from unwanted clutter. Remember, you can always return to the Filters and Blocked Addresses section in Settings if you need to edit or delete any filters in the future. Happy organizing!